So hey guys, here's a really cool origami that German Chef has designed. This is you might think that this origami is boring, but hey guys, guess what it can do? It can transform into this, what is it called? It can transform into a 6 tetrahedra like thing. Oh, my origami is a bit messy. I'm gonna fix it. So yeah, this can transform into a 6 tetrahedra, and it's a fidget toy. Look. It's a fidget toy. So yeah. Oh, this origami is a bit stuck here. So yeah, it can transform into a 6 tetrahedra fidget toy, and yeah, it's a fidget toy. Yep, it's a 6 tetrahedra fidget toy origami, and yeah, hey guys, there's like 12 tricks. It can even transform into a origami. It can transform into an origami oscillation fidget spinner. But hey guys, my hands are too small, so it will not spin on my hands. You see, whenever I try to spin on my hands, it doesn't, because look, my hands are just way too small. Look, whenever I try to spin it, it doesn't, because this paper is touching my hand, which will make it unable to spin. You see, my hands are just too small. But yeah, this origami is super cool. Guys, you should vote this origami. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye.